It's my pleasure to introduce conference co-chair Dr. Pamela Chawla. She did PhD in Electronics and Communication, ME from Punjab University, BE from IIT Roorkee, previously known as University of Roorkee. She has teaching and research experience of 36 years at various administrative positions in various deemed as well as private universities in Delhi, Punjab, Haryana and Himachal. She has authored 3 books and chaired 2 international conferences and also a chief editor of international journal. She has credited several research publications in Scopus Indexed as well as UGC approved journals. Her research area is e-waste management. She is in the panel of Faculty of Engineering of Himachal Pradesh Technical University and also a member of BOS at PTU and HPTU. She also worked as a Dean and Director of Institution of Technology for 5 years in the deemed and private universities in Delhi and Himachal Pradesh. She is currently working as a Professor and Associate Director of first year as well as Dean in the International Affairs at Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus. Now I would like to invite Dr. Pamela Chawla to close the conference.
Dear delegates, guests, HODs, faculty of the EC department, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good afternoon to all of you. I feel extremely happy to be a part of the International Conference of Innovations in Electronics and Communication Engineering 2021. This conference is a regular feature of this department and is an innovative platform for researchers, scientists, technocrats, academicians and engineers to exchange ideas and research findings in the field of ENC. The previous 8 conferences were successfully conducted with more than 2,000 national and international delegates attending it. This year is the 9th edition of the series and it kick-started on August 13th, 2021. Personalities from international organizations and institutions of repute were invited as chief guests and guests of honor for the inaugural session. Dr. Milan Simek from the School of Engineering, RMIT University, Brunswick West, Australia was the chief guest for the inaugural session. Dr. M. Madhavi Lata, Professor and Director of Academics and Planning, EC, JNTUH. Professor Xavier Fernando, Professor and Director, Ryerson Communications Limited, Ryerson University, Toronto, Canada. And Professor Yudong Zhang, School of Informatics, University of Leicester, United Kingdom were the guests of honor. The conference started with the inaugural session and the welcome address by the convener Dr. Rashid Mahmood at around 10 a.m. followed by a brief conference report by the conference co-chair and the associate director, GNITC, Dr. R.K. Singh. Thereafter, the chief patron of the conference and the vice chairman of Guru Nanak Institutions, Sardar Gagandeep Singh Kohli ji, expressed his best wishes for the participants and the conference team. Dr. Harvinder Singh Saini, the conference chair and the managing director, GNI, congratulated the participants and the organizers for choosing ICI ECE as the platform for sharing their research ideas. The participants later moved to the technical sessions categorized under 5 tracks organized under 4 sessions. The various tracks had communications, machine learning, antenna, radar, signal and image processing, embedded systems, IoT, power grid, computers, bitcoins and other areas which were deliberated upon. More than 300 papers from international and national authors were received, out of which 156 papers were accepted after a rigorous peer review. Authors from countries like Malaysia, Morocco, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh, Oman, and some other countries have sent their research papers for this conference. 66 papers were sent for consideration by Springer, which comes as a Scopus Index lecture notes. Extended versions of 36 papers will be published in International Journal of Innovations in Electronic and Communication Engineering, the department's journal, which is being published annually for the last many years. Around 30 selected papers were presented during the conference proceedings on 13th and 14th August. The response of the participants and the attendees was very encouraging, and the ICI-ECE 2021 became successful in providing an excellent platform for the exchange of latest technical ideas and was an enriching and learning experience. We hope to organize many such conferences and many such knowledge-enhancing endeavors in the future also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure to introduce the co-chair of the conference, Dr. S.V. Ranganayaklu, sir. He is currently working as Dean R&D in Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus. He has done MSc, MPhil in the area of liquid crystal display from Andhra University and PhD from Osmania University, Hyderabad, and also has NDT Level 2 certification awarded by ASNDT. He has 30 years of teaching as well as administrative experience at postgraduate and undergraduate level at various institutions. He guided 32 MPhil scholars and 8 PG projects and is presently guiding 6 PhD scholars. He has to his credit 58 research papers in international and national journals. He presented 53 research papers in national and international conferences. He is editorial board member and reviewer in national and international journals. He was awarded National Merit Scholarship by Government of India. He was Visiting Scientist Awardee awarded by Indian National Science Academy. He was nominated as a member of Independent Expert Committee for evaluating the solutions courses of NEET tool by AICTE for the year 2021. He is a fellow of Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, Acoustical Society of India and Ultrasonic Society of India. He served as the member of Board of Studies in Postgraduation Department of Electronics and PG Diploma in Instrumentation in Acharya Nagarjuna University for 8 years. He also served as member for Board of Studies in Electronics in Government College for Women, Tenali for 3 years. He delivered several invited and keynote talks in international and national conferences. He has executed 3 R&D projects in the area of non-destructive testing and evaluation. Now I would like to invite Dr. S.V. Ranganayaklu, sir, to give away the vote of thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. It is a great pleasure to me to present formal vote of thanks for the 9th International Conference on Innovations in Electronics and Communication Engineering, ICI-ECE 2021. This conference is organized on 13th and 14th August 2021, and this conference is went on well. I extend my hearty vote of thanks to the chief guest, Professor Milan Simic, RMIT Australia, who spread this time from his busiest schedule to grace this occasion. I would like to thank the guest of honor, Honorable Professor Dr. Madhavi Lata, DAP, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad, for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing the function. I am also thankful to Professor Xavier Fernando, Toronto, Canada, for accepting our invitation to be the guest of honor for inaugural function. I would like to thank Professor Yu Dong Jong, University of Leicester, UK, to be the guest of honor for inaugural function. I would like to thankful to our Vice Chairman Sardar Gagandeep Singh Kohli, Vice Chairman Guru Nanak Institutions, for extended his support and encouragement. I am very much thankful to Dr. H.S. Saini, Managing Director of Guru Nanak Institutions and Chair of the conference, for continuous support and advices which have greatly helped towards the successful organization of ICI-ECE 2021. I am thankful to our beloved Director, Dr. M. Ramalinga Reddy, and also Dr. Srinath Reddy, Principal, GNIT, for cooperation and encouragement. I extend my thanks to all plenary speakers and the invited speakers for delivered their talks on emerging technologies, including non-destructive technologies, which is part of Industry 4.0. I take this opportunity to thank all the reviewers and technical committee members for providing their valuable comments on time and helps towards the improvement of quality of papers to present in the conference. I acknowledge the unwavering support received from the HODs of GNITC, Professor Maheshwar Reddy and Sandeep Patil and Kedarnath and Dr. Yadav for making this conference grand success. I would like to acknowledge Professor Maheshwar Reddy, Professor Sandeep Patil, Surender, Professor Mohan, Dr. Rashid Ahmad, Professor Anita Swamidas, Dr. Vinod Kumar, and all other faculty members for their relentless efforts for grand success of ICI ECE 2021. I thank officials of General Administrative Department of Guru Nanak Institutions for providing all possible logistic support towards organizing this event. I would like to thank press and media for going to cover our conference events, which is organized on 13th and 14th August 2021. I am also thankful to all student volunteers who have greatly helped us in organizing the conference. Lastly but not least, highly thankful to our Professor R.K. Singh, Associate Director and Co-Chair of ICI ECE 2021, who has taken much strain with pleasure, meticulous planning and execution of the entire program without flaws for making ICI ECE 2021 grand success. I once again thank everyone whose contribution has made this conference a successful conference. Thank you.
Hello, I am Prashant. I am from Mumbai. I am a student pursuing my BTech first year in CSC department at Guru Nanak Institutions. When I was in search of engineering colleges to join, I researched a lot in order to study in the best college. In this process, I found many interesting facts about Guru Nanak Institutions. And without any delay, I joined the college with the feeling of contentment. Our college is an autonomous institution with NBA, NAC A+ accreditation. GNI has 13 Center of Excellence including Big Data, IoT, 3D printing, solar applications, robotics, etc. Our college has library facility with access to large number of books, technical journals and e-books. GNI has the finest team of experienced faculty with doctorates in various fields is the biggest assist to the academic future of a student. My career is secured with GNI. I feel really blessed to be a part of GNI family. GNI is the best destination for the students who dreams a bright career. Thank you.
My name is Shalini Mishra and I am a Nepali national. I am currently studying in final years in CSC department and I am very proud to say that I got placed in my 4-1 in a very good and esteemed company, that is IBM. I would like to thank the training and placement department of my college, and I would also like to thank GNI management for providing me such a good opportunity. Thank you.
নমস্কাৰ, মোৰ নাম ৰীনা পাৰবিন। মই অসমৰ বঙাইগাঁও জিলাৰ পৰা হয়। বৰ্তমান মই গুৰু নানক ইনষ্টিটিউচনত বি ফাৰ্মাচী কৰি আছোঁ। এজনী ছাত্ৰী হিচাপে মই ভাবোঁ যে জিএনআই আমাক জ্ঞান প্ৰদান কৰাৰ লগতে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ অনুষ্ঠান আয়োজন কৰি আমাক বিভিন্ন বস্তু জ্ঞান আহৰণ কৰাইছে। জিএনআই এখন বিখ্যাত ইনষ্টিটিউচন য'ত 10,000ৰ ওপৰত বিভিন্ন দেশ আৰু ৰাজ্যৰ পৰা ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে অধ্যয়ন কৰি আছে। তাৰ ভিতৰত সুদান, সাউথ সুদান, আফগানিস্তান আদি। জিএনআই তেলেংগানা জিলাৰ প্ৰথম ইনষ্টিটিউচন যিয়ে নেক A+ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং ইনষ্টিটিউচন হিচাপে স্বীকৃতিপ্ৰাপ্ত কৰিছে। ইয়াত ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীবোৰক বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ টেকনিক শিকোৱাৰ বাবে এডপ্টৰ আৰম্ভ কৰা হৈছে। জিএনআই তেলেংগানা জিলাৰ প্ৰথম ইনষ্টিটিউচন য'ত এডপ IoTৰ নিচিনা টেকনিকৰ অধ্যয়ন কৰোৱা হয়। ইয়াৰ উপৰিও জিএনআইয়ে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ বাবে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ সুবিধা প্ৰদান কৰিছে, যেনে ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ বাবে বেলেগ বেলেগ হোষ্টেলৰ সুবিধা, খোৱা বোৱাৰ বাবে কেণ্টিনৰ সুবিধা, লাইব্ৰেৰী, ফ্ৰী ৱাইফাই আদি। ইয়াৰ উপৰিও জিএনআই এখন ৰেগিং ফ্ৰী ইনষ্টিটিউচন আৰু ইয়াৰে শিক্ষক দক্ষতাবোৰ খুবেই। এজনী জিএনআইৰ ছাত্ৰী হিচাপে মই ক'বলৈ বিচাৰোঁ যে জিএনআইয়ে আমাক এখন ঘৰৰ দৰে পৰিৱেশ দিছে। সেইবাবে এইখন ইনষ্টিটিউচনৰ ছাত্ৰী হৈ মই নিজকে বহুত গৰ্ব অনুভৱ কৰোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।